All right, what's up guys? I'm gonna try to make this video short and simple. Just gonna go for my ride to work. Actually, before I put my gloves on, I'll probably cut this clip up so it's not super long. I do want to show people that let me reset that. We are at 0 miles per hour and 0 distance. This bike is at 7500 watts. So let me show you that it does say 97%, but we are 67.7 volts. And I will do some riding to work, and I will come back to this and we'll get the mileage and the mile per hour, and we'll show you what the range typically is. All right, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Like I said, I'm not going to give you the whole ride. A lot of people have seen me go back and forth to work many times already. But just want to kind of give you an idea of my riding style. I'm on the road. I'm not just in the bike lane doing 30 miles an hour. So 7,500 watts. It's going to drain the battery pretty fast, especially if you're on 8,500 watts. Everyone knows if you're on stock, you're about 4,800 watts, I believe, on the stock battery, pulling about 80 amps. And I was getting roughly, when I calculated it, I want to say average about 35 miles. And then when I rode with my buddy with his Super 73, we had to stay at about 25 miles an hour the whole time. And I want to say I did about 15 miles or 16 miles. I think it was 15 miles. And I had 71% battery left. And that was with the BAC4000, but I was also in eco mode. Now when I ride this bike going to work, I don't put it in eco mode. I don't switch it out. I am at 100% all the time. I might not be on the throttle 100% of the time, but the power is there if I need it. This light is the worst. I normally go around everybody. A lot of people always ask me why my head goes down. It's because I'm always looking at my rearview mirror. I got a low one on the end of the handlebars, so I can't see it unless I look down. This guy's always working on cars out here. Must be a side hustle. Ooh, the wind's coming this way. The bike doesn't even want to get up to 50 miles an hour, it's so windy. Well, the wind's going with us now, so we'll probably be hauling ass. Maybe next video or video after that. See if I can make it. So we made it here, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick look at how many miles we did and what the battery is at right now, and then we'll wait until the battery settles down for a second. So It says we did 5.66 miles. Our top speed was 60.83. And it's saying our battery is 84%, 62 volts flat. It's actually going up. But if we reset this and turn this back on, you will see that the battery updates. I don't know why it does that, but it's saying 72%. I will get a video really quick in about 5 minutes at the battery rests, and we'll see if it goes up a little. Alright, so the bike's set for a little bit, and I want to show the voltage on it. I don't know if you guys can see that pretty well. I'm trying to hold the helmet, but 62.9 volts. It says 75%, but it's closer to 77 from what I noticed. That is not bad whatsoever. That means about every 6 miles is about 25%, and that's on 7500 watts. I also wanted to show the battery percent on the actual bike itself. After the battery settles down with the BMS bypass, it will actually read voltage. And if you can see that, do it again, 76%. And I believe this display was showing 77. So it's about right. Not too bad. So 6 miles for every 25%, I would say, give or take. All right, what's up, people? I want to do a video at night. I want to show the mileage that I'm gonna get with the battery percentage at the very end when I get home. I'll show you how far we went, what the miles were, and kind of calculate that out if you were to ride like that the whole time until your battery depleted. Again, this is on 7500 watts of power, so this isn't stock. This is a BMS bypass. I'm gonna use a new app, but this records everything. I don't know why it's saying we're doing 5 already. I don't care to answer that right now. Just got my headlight switch, so got that going. Get this and this, and it says we're at 67.2. I don't know why I keep saying 70. It says we're at 95%, but that's not right. But all right, let's get going. All right, it says we did 6.04 miles. Maximum speed was 53 miles per hour. I guess I can stop that. I think there's a way to see what our average and all that stuff was, but I'm not 100% sure. Our average speed was 31 miles an hour. It's okay, not bad. It took us 11 minutes exactly. So, yeah, not too bad. It's saying that our battery is showing 61.7 volts. It's saying 81%, but if I cycle this through, it says about 70%, which is about right, probably 70, 71, because I think my thing's off by 1%. It uses a lot more coming back home when it's super cold. Something to do about the batteries being super cold. They drain faster instead of being hot. But all right, that's gonna conclude this video. So thanks for following along. I'll see you guys.